I'm Thenmoly Parameswaran. I've just recently completed my bachelor's in business and accountancy in Universiti Selangor campus Shah Alam. Like all these years, I've rewarded with me to excel my academic thing and also professionalism, because since I'm from accounting student, so most of the people outside, it seems like accounting student is a passive one, they won't talk to people that much. So I really want to break that things out. So I actively involve in extracurricular activities. At the same time, I consistently manage myself to excel in academic, and all these efforts has brought me here today. And this award that I'm going to receive today is actually going to be a very highest achievement for myself, because this recognition motivates me to keep striving myself towards excellence and also to give back to the accounting profession with integrity and passion. Well, actually, I'm from a science background. I'm a science stream student during my high school. At first, I just want to give a try something different beyond science. But when I learned more slowly, I start liking do accounting, because I'm so surprised. It's like impressive and interesting for me, because how everything can have a structured process, how every numbers can have reason behind it. And sometimes it felt satisfying for myself when things are balanced. So it's like I found myself like looking forward to more accounting classes more than the others. And the turning point is that pursuing accountancy as a major is the right choice for me now. I would like to share my internship experience. I think I've studied like almost 6 years, because I took diploma then degree. So it's like when I continue my internship, it's like very more challenging for me, because it doesn't seem like if you're good in academic, it doesn't seem like you're good at everything. So when I start my internship, it's like very challenging for me, but my audit supervisor really helped me to push me up, to improve my professionalism, and this thing really increased my experience in handling real life working environment, and also handling the clients, the deadlines and so on. So this is a good experience for me. For now, I see myself starting a traditional role like audit and tax executive, what I'm doing now, because accounting is just not like that. You need to have a lot more experience for you to handle all critical tasks, all that. So I see experience is a transaction exchange. You can apply your academic thing and turn into an experience. So by starting a role as an audit and tax executive, I believe it will help me to improve myself, my skills in future. But I really love to explore future areas like sustainability and fintech, because I believe this is going to be a very important aspect in business world and as well as the country. For this, I really want to thank all the people around me all this year. First of all, my family members. Without them, I wouldn't be here, because they are the one who continuously encourage me, motivates me, and taught me what is discipline, how to be responsible, and they taught me this thing, never giving up skill. So all these things together has enabled me to give a consistent, long-term goals to excel in academic and also my professional life. And apart from this, I really want to thank to all my lecturers and audit supervisor, because I believe they are the ones tolerate all my questions, debates, arguments inside the classroom, and still they help me to improve my academic and to lead me until this day.